Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that RUNWAGO token. Now before we start the video, let's share my detailed disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, meet RUNWAGO, an app with a unique concept where runners completing their challenges are rewarded by users who failed RUNGO in bringing 100% sustainability to the 300 million active daily runners as to monetize their running goals. Backed by institutional investor and sport brands, RUNGO aims to staff and sport FI revolution. RUNGO merges fitness accountability with crypto rewards, leveraging base efficiency and partnerships to scale its success. Highness on balancing users' growth, the sustainable tokenomics. Can it maintain engagement beyond initial novelty while navigating regulatory scrutiny around move to earn models? The Navigo token total supply is 100 million and circulating supply is around 3.9 million RUNWAGO token. RUNWAGO token is listed on K.io, MEXC, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.